How to fix Google could not sign you in problem. If you're encountering a could not sign you in error when you're trying to access your Gmail account, you may follow up this method. So what you can do is head over to the Google recovery page. So you need to access Google recovery account in order to go ahead and process to regain access. So you can go to Google account recovery page for that, which is support.google.com, and look out for this option to get help signing. And what you need to do is you need to go ahead and enter up your account, enter your Gmail address. So just go ahead and do so, and you will be asked a series of questions to confirm it's your account. Answer them to the best of your ability, and if successful, you will be prompted to reset your password. After that, what you can do is you can also try recovering your account from a device or a location where you have previously logged in or accessed the Gmail account, and you can follow up this process. And you need to use the same browser you normally use to access the account. And if you have any relevant information, such as if you remember your last used password or backup codes ready, if you had that, it will be very easier for you. If you have those, you can just go ahead and look out for that option. And just go ahead and look out for that option, look out for recover your account in Gmail. And that should, you just need to enter up your password and everything that you remember, and they should help you recover your account. And the thing is, if Google has suspected any unusual activity, it may be temporarily blocked access to your account. So that may be the reason you are not able to log in into your Gmail account. So if that is the issue, you need to wait for a bit for Google to unblock you or remove those kind of restrictions for you, and then only you will be able to sign in again. If none of those options work, you can directly contact Google support and look out for that option. And you can find this get help sign in option. You can look out for that option. And then through the automated process, Google will offer alternative recovery methods. See if that works and let us know in the comments. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up the solutions in order to fix it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.